Here we are with the NAVAC 12 CFM vacuum pump, true blue hoses, dual valve cores removed, nylog applied to all surfaces to make sure there's no leaks, including the valves. I have had leaks from the valve, so I put nylog around and inside, actually where you have the turn off and on valves. Learned from experience, don't trust them. So here we go. I have a hell of a long extension cord going way to hell out there, and it doesn't like the voltage drop on initial startup. So let's, yep, the motor torques down because the extension cord and that plug over there doesn't have the largest wire. Damn it. So what I'm doing is I'm listening to the motor lug down, and I'm trying to get it to start. Come on, baby. Get started. God, I had it started before I started the filming. Oh, you rat bastard. So this is a problem sometimes. When you're that far away from electrical and you're going through an extension. Shit. Okay. So there'll be another, I'll post this video. Real life, real problems, and I'll get this started. I have to disconnect it, suck some air, it'll get started, it'll puff out smoke with oil in it a little bit, but it'll start, and then I'll hook it back up after I get it warmed up and started. I can't do this with two hands and hold this. Actually, I should get the tripod up here.